तो फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, बात करते हैं, अभी सेंट्रल बैंक ने अपने स्टाफ के लिए बहुत ही वेलफेयर स्कीम डिक्लेयर की है। अब बारी है, यूनियन बैंक इंट्रोड्यूस्ड एम्प्लॉइज फीडबैक सिस्टम फॉर क्लर्क्स एंड सब स्टाफ। वेलफेयर स्कीम तो नहीं आई, लेकिन फीडबैक सिस्टम का इंट्रोडक्शन किया। यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ए परफॉर्मेंस फीडबैक and review mechanism for its award staff through Staff Circular 8494 dated December 18, 2024. This new system is designed to evaluate performance of employees in a structured manner. For clerical staff, feedback will be assessed on a 10-point scale, while for sub-staff, evaluation will be conducted based on 3 key parameters. Immediate reporting officers will be provide the initial feedback, which will then undergo a multi-layered review by higher official within the bank's system. The mechanism has been made applicable from the second quarter of financial year 24-25, with the feedback collection and review processes already initiated. The bank has stated that this system aims to enhance employee performance and provide additional training and support where needed. Union's immediate opposition, और इसका अपोजिशन यूनियन ने तुरंत किया. The introduction of this mechanism has sparked strong opposition from the union. On the very day the circular was issued, the union promptly communicated its concern to the managing director and CEO via a formal message. Copies of this opposition were also sent to all executive directors and the chief general managers. Subsequently, a detailed letter dated 18 December was sent to the MD and CEO. The letter outlined the union's rationale for opposing the mechanism and included a clear demand for its immediate withdrawal. The union emphasized that if the mechanism is imposed despite their objection and misused, they will resist it through necessary organizational action, which may include protest and the other measures. Concern highlighted by the unions. Union ने क्या concern show किया? While the bank has assured that the feedback mechanism will not impact employees' promotions, transfers, assignments, or increments, the union remained unconvinced. They argued that the move is heavily influenced by the directive from the Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance. According to union, the DFS has been pushing banks to implement systems that comply with the bipartite provisions, specifically those that allow for the premature retirement of employees aged 55 and above. If their performance is deemed unsatisfactory, the union views this is an attempt to exert undue influence on the autonomy of the bank, creating a precedent for the unwarranted intervention. जो फीडबैक सिस्टम मैकेनिज्म बैंक ने शुरू किया है, अब इवैल्यूएट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द क्लरिकल कैडर एंड द सब स्टाफ, उसका यूनियन ने पुरजोर विरोध किया है। लेकिन यूनियन कहां तक सक्षम हो पाती है इसको रोकने में, ये वेट एंड वॉच की स्थिति है। और अगर बैंक इसको इंप्लीमेंट करता है तो नेचुरली हमारे जो अवार्ड स्टाफ हैं, जो सब स्टाफ हैं, उन पर एक्सर्ट प्रेशर जरूर होगा। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।